Hey guys and gals of YouTube, it's Robert from Tell Guys RC. We're coming at you this morning. We're going to be flying the Racores EXTRA. This is an EPP plane, 32-inch wingspan. Jim at Racores was nice enough to send me some of the 450 milliamp 11 volt batteries, 25C from Glacier. So we're going to be trying those on the Extra this morning to see what kind of performance we get. The plane is flying, guys, with a GenFam 947 prop, 12 amp brushless ESC, and again the Blue Wonder type 1300 kV motor. So let's put a battery on there and see how she performs. Hey guys, do me a favor, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe now. Click down below, and if you're on mobile devices, click the little bell notification. That way when I upload weekly content like this, you will be notified. And as you guys can see, this is where I've located the battery to get the CG right. Up front, lower part of the fuselage, velcroed to the fuselage. So CG looks spot on. So let's do some flying. What I also did is I put I don't know if you'll see this on the video, I put a thicker prop band on here because I think part of the problem also before was my band was loose and my prop was vibrating. But with this setup, no problems at all.